Welcome to the Kitchen Prescription YouTube channel. Learn how to make these soft and delicious flour tortillas with the Tortilla Press. Here are the ingredients you will need. Three tablespoons cold butter, 1 tablespoon bacon fat, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, and 2 cups all-purpose flour. You will also need 1 cup warm water, but for now, let's just mix together the flour, salt, and fats. Cut the fats in with a fork until your mixture looks crumbly. Looks perfect. Now add half the cup of warm water and mix well. Add water a little at a time until all the flour is well hydrated. Bring the shaggy dough together and begin to knead the dough, making sure to get all the bits. Divide and roll into balls. I said balls. Cover and rest for 10 minutes. Use a griddle or pan. Preheat your griddle or pan to medium-low. You will need a tortilla press, which I will link in the description. You will also need some parchment paper squares. Use a large cut storage bag similar to what I have here. This is so your dough doesn't stick. Place the dough slightly off center between the plastic and press down. Remove and place on the parchment paper. Make sure your griddle is oiled and hot. I said hot. Cook about a minute per side. For best results, keep your tortillas in a tortilla warmer. Get the full recipe on my website in the description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Click on the bell below to get notified of new videos.